to see you again for today. Yeah, she knows that we're going to do lion breath, so that's why she's running away. Okay, so let's begin with the lion breath, okay? Lion breath is good to let it out, okay? So we work with our throat, something that you may need to express or something like that. You can help yourself with this lion breath. And it's also fun and a little silly, so if you laugh, it's okay. So let's begin. Sit down straight, crossing your legs. You can move your shoulders up, back, down. One more time. Up, back, down. Beautiful. Now, this is the thing. We're going to breathe in through the nose. We're going to put the tongue out, and we're going to breathe through our mouth. Okay, so breathing in through your nose, tongue out like this, and then you breathe out. Nice job. One more time, breathing in, out. Beautiful. You want to try one more time? Okay. Breathing in through your nose, tongue out, and breathe. Beautiful. That breath, actually, you can do here sitting, crossing legs, or you can come, sit on your heels, knees a little closer, and okay, one more time with this kind of sitting. So breathing into your nose, out through your mouth. Beautiful job. Okay, let's go back to crossing legs. Now, we're going to do the twist. This twist, I like to call it like an ice cream. When the ice cream, you know the machines that you twirl, they twirl their ice cream? Okay, so let's have that picture in your mind. And you can choose your flavor. So breathing into your nose. Twist to one side, twist, twist, twist. And now it's like you're melting. Beautiful, breathe out and melt. Now let's go back. Build your ice cream again. Breathing in. Breathe, breathe. The bigger ice cream that you can see. And breathe out. Twisting, twirling out. Melting your ice cream. Look back. One more time. Breathing in. And ice cream ball. Big, big, big ice cream ball. Melt. Beautiful. Come all the way up into your chest, gentle with yourself. Beautiful job. Okay guys, I hope you like this video and you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being there. From my heart to your heart. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.